Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, roof rack, Sirius satellite radio, tachometer, security alarm, Uconnect hands-free group. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.